Welcome to Belong. Get ready to create an amazing community in a few easy steps. We'll guide you through setting up your hub. Let's dive in. First things first, log in to Belong with your preferred option. We recommend using MetaMask for a seamless experience. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your community. Click on the plus button to open the creation menu and select Create a Community Hub. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your community. Give it a catchy name, choose a unique handle that's as memorable as a chart-topping tune. But that's not all. Your community needs a captivating description that will make people weak at the knees. Let's not forget about visuals. Choose an avatar or logo that represents your community's unique vibe. And to truly leave a lasting impression, select a stunning cover image that visually captivates and entices newcomers. Are you ready to bring your community to life? Feel free to share your community link with everyone and let the party start.